What's up, y'all? Introduce yourself, baby. This is my baby girl right here. We just chilling today. Oh, by the way, y'all, I'm your boy 100% Talk. We just hanging out today. Had a long day at work, but got that out the way. Haven't seen my baby girl since Christmas Day. This baby girl. She always make me smile. She came over to kick it with me. Oh yeah, y'all, before I forget, please like, subscribe, go down below and hit that notification button. You know, show your boy that love. How y'all doing out there today? You know, I'm just here chilling. Baby girl done got a little hungry, so I'm about to make her favorite little snack when she come over. She like noodles every time. Dad, you got noodles? You know? So I'm hook her up some noodles right quick. Check it out, y'all. She be doing that like it ain't nothing. So yeah, that's my baby girl right there. She chilling with me. About to hook her up her favorites. All right, babe. All right, so which one you want? Chicken or beef? Beef. All right. So y'all heard it. She want beef.
Hello. You make your own videos, Daddy?
Well, you know, I'm just starting, you know. I might as well do something. I'm going to explain to him what I'm doing.
Getting a bowl?
Getting a bowl. That's what I'm doing. Let's see. Yeah. I'm getting the bowl. She chose the beef.
Hey, Dad, you want to have a stand contest?
No, 'cause I know you'll beat me.
I won.
See, that's what I'm saying right there. Put your little water up in here. Up to the line right there. See, these come in handy right here. Instead of throwing them away, I recycle them, I wash them and use them.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. These little things right here. You go to the dollar store, you get you like some noodles or whatever. They come in these little bowls right here. And you put them in the microwave. They're microwave safe. So, you know, I'm going to use these. And that's what we got right here. This is her little go-to snack. That's the ramen noodles. So I'm about to get it on for it right here.
That's so weird. It has 3 legs.
That's there. Okay, y'all. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me for a little while, you know, just to
I got.
see what we got going on here. So I'm gonna finish up her little. I'm gonna finish up her little snack, and we're gonna come back after it's done. I'm gonna show y'all how she like to eat it. You know how she like to cool it off with ice. All right. See y'all in a minute.